raining in the city of Flint, and we're here with this fine gentleman that is on hard times, and we're trying to help him out today.
This is
My son Chris.
those necessities.
We got a backpack for him, and we've been working all day making
cool with
lunches.
the Bible,
we got
right?
him lunch.
Yeah.
Awesome. There's
Find you the right backpack.
dial soap, big thing of that.
We got a lot of personal hygiene products in the backpack.
This backpack gets bigger and bigger. You just unzip it, and it gets
That's
bigger.
cool.
There you
That's
go.
what I said. I said I like that
This
right
one in
there.
too.
Mine's
You
about
like that one?
attic.
That's a lot better.
Yeah.
And then you got your lunch thing right there. Make sure sandwiches don't get too smushed. I just made it.
And it's raining. We're in Flint, Michigan, and it's raining.
I didn't know, because I do it like that because I don't know if people want mustard, ketchup, or whatever. You
I'm
know,
going to show you what we're doing with our ministry, and when you get to this ministry, where it goes.
Anything, you know.
Right.
Yeah, so there's should be apple,
It
orange,
goes to help
bag of
those
chips
that are
in the
hurting.
bottom, you know. So.
You're hungry, huh?
Yeah.
Oh,
Hey,
I
you
know.
guys got any of them rain parkers?
Rain parkers?
Let's look through there.
Yeah, we can look through there.
We'll find if we got it. We'll find it. All right, everybody. It's pouring down rain. Just wanted to show you that we're out here today, and keep this ministry lifted up in prayer. You got an umbrella?
You know, sometimes you can get them for $1. They're real
All right.
feasible.
God bless you, brother.